All right. I looked at the voting on that last video, and for the most part, you guys like unboxings. So I'm not going to dox myself, and we're going to do an unboxing. This is a Thrive Market box. I am going to flip the camera and all that fun stuff, and we're going to go through it together. So I have a membership with them. It's a pretty decent price. And we'll go through some of the picks that I have for the month. So I decided to pull everything out of the box so we can go through and look at it. I got a medium roast unsweetened coffee. Not horrible specs. I wish I would have paid more attention to the carbs, but I think it's, I don't know. It only has coffee and water in it. So I'm like, how does it have that many carbs? But whatever. I think I can get that drinking. I think I can finish it in the 7 days. Then, of course, got the air cheese. Look at these specs. 2 carbs, 16 grams of protein is actually pretty impressive for these little packages of cheese. Where's dried out cheese? This, for me, is like the star of the show. I hope it tastes good. If it does, or when I do something with it, I'll make sure to give a review if that's something you guys are interested in. An ounce of this, 28 grams, of course. The specs, you know, it's pretty par for the course for processed meats and such. But I just want to know what it tastes like, because I like salami, I like bacon, and I like bourbon. So putting those ingredients together sounds like something I'd like. Got some grain-free granola. It says it's 2 net carbs per serving, but I think that factors in the sugar alcohols. Yeah. So the regular fiber would be 3 grams, and then 3 grams of alcohol sugars. I think if you just do your best to keep it low, regardless of the alcohol sugars, you'll be within your range. It's not as high as I was expecting it to be in protein, but I think I had an overestimation of what nuts are for protein. I think I considered them a protein source when they're really a good fat source. This is pork cracklings. If you don't know what crackling is, it's like, what is that? I better call it chicharrone. Pork rind, but it's got extra pieces, like an extra piece of pork fat on it. So it's really good. It's very savory. It's not a significant source of protein, but it's delicious. And I like delicious. Then I got these swoon drinks. They were on sale. So I got, naturally 0 grams of sugar. That's impressive. Is it more watery? That's not terrible. And I got a peach tea kind. So I got a tea and a lemonade. Put them together, I have an Arnold Palmer. So I made a Thrive Market video, and I forgot to sign it off. And I forgot that I made the video, well, at least recorded the reactions to each of the products. So I'm gonna go back, look through it, upload it, and then let y'all know how I felt about it. So I just wanted to touch base and let y'all know I hadn't forgotten, but I had forgotten. So now I'm back to unforget. All right, well, this is supposed to be my closing. So I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, love you, bye.